Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Homecoming telenovela is coming soon to our screens. Clips Homecoming set in rural Bethel, KwaZulu-Natal. Homecoming follows to a medical graduate who returns to her village after struggling to find work. There she meets Sfiso, a cop and a traditional healer, and is caught between two worlds, science and tradition, while navigating love, identity, and healing. Introducing the cast, we have Mpume Six Nyamani as Zetu, Tembinkosi Mthembu as Officer Kubeka, Sipho Manzini, Kombi Petla, Mpilo Mbata, Kayelet Xaba, Amahle Khumalo, Sabelo Ernest Radebe. Now let's look at the different families and Xantuetu's new telenovela Homecoming, which premieres on the 28th July 2025 at 6:30. On frame 1, we have the Kubeka family, frame 2, the Hlongwane family, the Kumalo family, and the Madlala family. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.